Yeah, sorry, not interested.
Ranbir?
Just kidding. Aja. I was expecting you. Have a seat. Make yourself at home.
Thank you.
Some juice?
No thanks, I'm good.
More for me, I guess.
So Ranbir, how have you been coping with the lockdown? You know, not being able to hang out with friends and family.
Well, it's been hard like it's for everybody else. I'm adapting, I'm managing, and staying positive for the future.
Oh, by the way, I've got a present for you.
Present.
I love presents. OPPO Reno5 Pro.
Slim, stylish, smooth. I'm sold.
Right?
Just kidding. I'm a little hard to impress, huh?
So I've heard. But I'm sure you're gonna love this. If you like the design, wait till you see the functionality. I'm talking 5G.
5G, really? Talk about an upgrade. And the screen goes beyond the edges.
3D curved display. I mean, you break conventions with every role you play. So why should your phone be any different? Speaking of which, I'm guessing lockdown has put a pause on your set life. What do you miss the most about being on set?
Everything. Playing a character, being part of a story, inspiration, just working long hours. Do you know what I miss the most?
What?
Lights. Camera.
And action.
शाम सबा है, महफिल सजी है, जिंदगी की राह में वो तो कहीं है.
That was amazing.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Okay, so this is the ultra night video mode, right? Oh, it's so clear and bright, even in this low light.
Cool, no? Now you can be the brightest with the littlest of light. I think this is really going to change your candid game.
Yeah, maybe I should join social media now.
About time, Ranbir. But speaking of social, we all know the actor Ranbir. But what do you do once you come back from set?
Follow me. Most favorite part of the house. Check out the view.
Wow, this is insane.
Beautiful sky, city lights, the hustle and bustle.
It's magical.
What's magical is this HDR video mode.
That's the Reno5's AI Highlight Plus feature. It smartly adapts to the environment and gives you amazing videos in any lighting condition.
That's crazy. So it's like perfect to capture my football games. Want to play?
Oh, no. My reaction time is terrible.
That's exactly what I love about football. The fast pace of the game.
Speaking of pace, the Reno5 has 65 watt Super VOOC 2.0 charging. Speed is everything.
So what if I charge it for, say, 5 minutes?
For that, you get 4 hours of video playback. Now let me test your reaction time. So how do you like the new Enco X earbuds?
They look sweet. But to answer your question, I'll have to have a mini dance party.
Go for it.
Wow, the sound is crazy.
Ranbir!
Sorry, the noise cancellation is mad. I couldn't hear a thing.
Alright. I think you and the Reno5 have become best buds already.
Absolutely.
So I'm going to leave the both of you to unlock the infinite possibilities together. See you.
See you. Thank you for the wonderful gifts. Have a good life.
Bye.